Best reasons to move to Montreal. Montreal is one of the most beautiful cities in the world. With the incredible quality of life, friendly atmosphere, and affordable real estate. Montreal ranked as the most livable city in the world for an 8th consecutive year. If you're thinking of moving here from another city or country, then this probably won't help influence your decision. 1. The Montreal environment. Montreal was recently ranked by the Mercer Quality of Living Survey as the city in North America with the highest quality of life. Its mild climate, clean air, good transportation network and safe streets are just some of the factors that make it an outstanding place to live. 2. Affordable housing options. Montreal is one of the top cities in North America for affordable housing. The housing market in Montreal is very appealing for investors. Plus the benefits of buying power compared to cost of living. 3. Great nightlife and entertainment. Montreal is a city where you can have fun all year round. Montreal has one of the largest gay pride festivals in the world. It is also the only city in North America that hosts the Grand Prix Formula 1 competition. Place des Arts is also an icon for culture lovers. It houses 8 different concert halls and theaters where various opera, ballet and symphony performances take place. Montreal has a vibrant nightlife scene all year round with many events to attend at any time of the week. The 2 most famous are the Just for Laughs Festival every July and the Jazz Festival every June. 4. An escape from your typical hustle and bustle. Montreal is a big city, but it's also very European. It's clean, safe, pretty, and the people are friendly. There are lots of things to do in Montreal, but it doesn't have all of the hustle and bustle of larger cities like New York or Los Angeles. The city has a truly European feel with lovely parks throughout the city that invite you to take a stroll any time of year. 5. A taste of Europe in North America. Montreal is a beautiful city with a lot of culture, architecture, and scenery. It's a great place to visit or even live in. Montreal is a very European city in the heart of North America. It has a vibrant nightlife, excellent food and is surrounded by mountains, rivers and parks. 6. Cost of living. The cost of living in Montreal is much lower than that of other major cities, while its quality of life is still very high. Montreal has a very low cost of living. Festival capital. 7. The festival capital of the world. Festivals, we take that reputation to a whole new level. Montreal hosts an impressive range of festivals each year. Of more than 500 events and festivals each year.